Hey folks, frequently when you're doing copper work, you may have a very picky customer where your sweat work is exposed, or maybe you're taking some sort of a test where you need it really clean. And with the flux that's exposed on the pipe will discolor. It will make your project look dirty. And if you try to clean it, it's time consuming and it's tedious and you might miss a spot. So here's a great little secret for you folks out there. Because even though this looks relatively clean, this looks clean, what cleans off flux, what cleans off dirt? Rubbing alcohol. Regular old isopropyl, if that's how you say it, I'm stuttering today, alcohol. So this is a clean cloth. This is a perfectly clean piece of copper, you think. Now, I'm not going crazy on this. Now, if this was hot, you could burn yourself. You could take a lot of time going into every nook and cranny, right? I think you could probably see the visual difference, but you can definitely see what's coming off of there. A lot of dirt. And this had been previously cleaned. So that's an easy way to make your copper project look really beautiful without exposing yourself to hot pipe or the tedium of going in little corners of every nook and cranny to clean the old flux out. I hope that helped you out there.